Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, we'll be talking about how to achieve this kind of effect. If you have not already done so, please remember to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. I post motion design tutorials as well as tips and tricks that might be useful to you for After Effects. So, without further ado, let's get to it! Today we'll be doing something special because Singapore National Day is around the corner and I would like to do something for the love of the country. So we'll be doing a waving flag effect using our Singapore flag. I illustrated this just now, as you can see from the screen right now. I just roughly trace over the actual flag that I found online, and this is a more vector, and this is the vector version of it. If you'd like to know how to actually do that, comment down below and let me know. If not, we will go into what we are here for today, which is a waving flag effect. So you can see this is a HD size composition, and my flag is a bit smaller than this. So what I want to do now is to pre-comp this flag. Command-Shift-C for pre-composition. So I name it the SG flag comp1. I'll put this under my pre-comp folder. If you want to know how I usually manage my project area, I will link it here. So take a look at that. What we want to do now is to flush this to the edge, the left edge of this, because I want the wave effect to only affect on the right, like a waving flag. So under Align tool, if you do not have this, please go under Window and Align, and you can find it there. So we'll align left, so it's actually sticking on the left side of this composition, as so. Now I'll move this to the center of the frame. Effect and preset and type in wave warp. If you do not have this, same thing, go under Window and Effect and Preset, and you can find it there. Wave warp. So you can see it creates a lot of wave on here. We will need to increase the wave width so that I only have one wave. I think I just wanted one wave. Right, something like this, one wave, and increase the height of this. Right, now you can see it's actually affecting both sides of the, it's actually flying like this, but we wanted it to clip on the left side of the composition, which is what we set it up in the first place. So under pinning, we go left edge, so this will clip on here, and whereas the right side will just fly like this. Alright, I will not want this to be so high, maybe around like this. Alright, so now we want to keep this looping. As you can see here, the wave speed is 1. That means it's actually 1 second and loops 1 time. My working file is on 25 frames, so we go to 25 frames. And I will cut and I will chop this off. So you can see right here, the in and out point are actually the same. So this is a loop. So it will just keep looping. Right, then I will want a sheen that is flying through. By doing that, we will need CC light sweep. So under Effect and Preset, type in CC light sweep. So I'll place it on the top where this amplitude are highest, where the wave are on the highest point. Adjust the direction. So the directions are the direction of the sweep, so left or right. So I want something like this. Wavelength to be bigger. And then this edge thickness to be maybe size smaller, and the intensity to be smaller as well. So we go into the first frame. I will animate this. Under center, set a keyframe. Press U to review keyframe on layer. Go to the last frame. And I'll move this out. So as you can see right here, there's a jump cut to this light sweep because it's actually appearing. First frame is already here, and then the last frame is actually out of frame. So what we want to do here is to let this fade in. So under sweep intensity, select a keyframe. You go 5 frames forward. And push this to 0. Now just reverse this. Now I'll rotate this layer maybe around 45, like feels like diagonal like this. And then we'll have it look. Scale this smaller. I'll add a white shadow. So create a white solid. Control Y to create a new solid. Do a eclipse tool. I'll draw on the bottom. F for feather. I'll feather this up. Usually for this kind of shadow, I will do 2 layers. So one of it, it's smaller on the shadow pixel. So as in, it will be smaller on the feather, and the other one will be bigger. And then reduce the opacity. Just adjust the feathering and the size of it. Let's add a text on top. Happy National Day. Alright, we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you think this video is of any help to you, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. If there's anything you would like to see for the next few episodes, please remember to comment down below. If not, I'll see you in the next one.